So today in this video we have given 20 workers can do a piece of work in 20 days. How many workers should be added to complete the work in 16 days? So here is the relation between number of workers and number of days. So 20 workers can do a piece of work in 20 days. So how many workers should be added to complete the work in 16 days? So initially we have 20 workers and we suppose added here X. So now number of workers and days are in inverse relation. So it becomes 20 plus x by 20 is equals 20 by 16. So in case of inverse relation, the numerator and denominator both are interchange. So 20 plus x equals 20 by 16. Now 20 here in divide, move in opposite side, it becomes multiply. So 4 times 4 mean 16, 4 times 5 mean 20, and 4 times 5 mean 20. So 20 plus x equals 5 times 5 mean 25. So x equals 25. This plus 20 move in opposite side becomes minus. So x is equals to 5. So the number of men to be added to complete the work in 16 days is 5 men. So 5 men should be added. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.